Good morning. While you are checking books out today, I would like you to get familiar with creating a Google Doc. Google Docs is kind of like Microsoft Word. If you were wanting to type a paper that you wrote or do any kind of typing and create something that you would print or email to someone, instead of using Microsoft Word, you can use Google Docs. Google Docs is cool because you can share it with other people and they can make changes to it as well. So to find Google Docs, you will go to your drive. So if you click on a new tab up here, this is the new tab button. And you will see these little boxes over here. Click on the little boxes. And you will need to click on Drive. It looks like a little triangle that's different colors. So click on Drive. And what Drive is it's a place for you to save it. So instead of saving it to the actual computer, it saves it in the cloud on the internet. So that way you can access it from anywhere. You don't have to carry it on a thumb drive, or you don't have to take your computer with you. I can log into any computer and see all of my files that are saved on my drive, which is that's called the cloud. So as you can see on your drive, you can make folders. So I have different folders that I've created for media. This is my media folder that I save all of my media things in. I have a 5th grade folder from when I taught 5th grade. So it makes it a little bit easier to sort your documents and files. Over to the left is a menu where you can see, you can get to your own drive. It takes you right back to your drive. Another one is Shared With Me. And Shared With Me is all of the documents that people have shared with you, which means they've sent an email with the document on it so you can see it. There's Google Photos. That's something new to Google Drive. And Recent will take you to any of the files that you have looked at recently. The starred one, I don't have anything starred, but if you wanted to star something, you could get to it a little quicker here by clicking on starred. And then there's the trash folder, which is your garbage, things you have deleted and don't want to use anymore. So that's just a little overview of Google Drive and how it's set up. I'm going to show you also, if you get like me and you have a lot of files in here and you want to find something quick and you can't remember where you saved it, you can click in the search box. It says search drive. As long as you know what it's called, or maybe, let's see, I know I have the login directions. I knew I called it something with login, so as long as you know kind of what it's called, it'll pop up for you. You can click on it, and it will open it up for you in a new tab. Okay, so what I want you to do today is to find your drive, which remember you will go to a new tab and find these little squares and click on Drive, and that'll open your drive. And then you're going to create a Google Doc, and you'll click on this new button, and that creates a new file. And on the new button, you can see you can make a folder. You can upload a file that you already have. You can upload a whole folder. We're not going to do any of those yet, but down here are the things that we will use more of in here. Google Docs is similar to Microsoft Word, where if you want to type a paper, you would use that. Google Sheets is kind of like Microsoft Excel. So if you had a spreadsheet you needed to make, you could use that. And then Google Slides is a presentation that's similar to PowerPoint. That's the program I used to make the presentation for you at the beginning of the year, where I had videos on it, YouTube links, and taught you a little bit about our procedures. That was made in Google Slides. We are going to learn about all of these things. There's also Google Forms, by the way, where if you had a form and wanted somebody to fill it out, you can get responses from it. So we're going to use that too. But we're going to use all of these things as the year goes on. But I wanted to start off with Google Docs. So you're going to click on the blue one, which is Google Docs. And that will open up in a new tab. And this concludes my overview of Google Drive. And I will I will play a new video for you to see what I would like you to do in Google Docs.